Welcome back here in this new tutorial in learning Microsoft Excel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to calculate the total of number from every n sequence of cells in the columns. If you want to follow along, download the sample data file from video description below. As you see here in this example, I have some numbers in A to V column. My requirement here is to calculate the sum of cell values in every fourth sequence of column, which is highlighted in the data. To calculate this, we have to combine four functions in one formula. These are SumProduct, n, mod, and column. Let's start using formula here in this X3 cell. Press equals, type SumProduct function. Open parentheses. In the array1 parameter of SumProduct, combine n, mod, and column function. First type n, then open parentheses. In value parameter of n function, use the mod function. Open parentheses. In the number parameter of mod function, use the column function. Open parentheses. In the reference parameter of column function, select the numeric value range. Close parentheses. Give a comma. In the divisor parameter of mod function, type 4. This 4 is because we need sum of value from every fourth column cell. If you need sum of values from every third sequence, put 3 in that case. Now close parentheses for mod function. Then type equals 0. Close parentheses for n function. Give a comma. Now in the array2 of SumProduct function, again select the numeric value range. Close parentheses for SumProduct and press enter. Now, here you see, the total of every fourth sequence of cell is calculated by this formula. Let's verify this. Let me add here fourth cell values manually. Both result is same. Working perfectly. Here, you have to take care of one thing. That is, every time, the data may not start from first column of Excel sheet. In this case, the columns at the left of numbers starting point should be deducted after the column function in the formula. For example, let me add one column here at left. Result changes here, which is wrong. In this case, now go in the formula and subtract 1 from the column formula. Let me click here and type -1. Now press enter. Now formula calculates correctly. Drag the formula using fill handle. Total of fourth cell for all rows are calculated. So, this is how we calculate sum of numbers from every n sequence of cells in the columns of Excel. Thank you so much for watching. If this is useful for you, please give a like in this video. Subscribe this channel if you are a new visitor. See you in next video tutorial.